And developing out of Tallahassee, suspended Hillsborough state attorney Andrew Warren will face off in court against Governor Ron DeSantis when his lawsuit against him eventually heads to trial, which could be weeks or months. In the meantime, a federal judge ruled earlier today Warren will remain suspended. Cameras were not allowed in the courtroom, but our Aaron Parsegian was inside and shares details on what's next.
In a federal courtroom here in Tallahassee, Judge Robert Hinkle ultimately deciding not to put Andrew Warren back in office for the time being as his case heads to trial. He says he doesn't want a yo-yoing back and forth of who's in charge at the Hillsborough County State Attorney's Office.
The judge was very clear. He wants to get this right once and for all. So we look forward to a trial where the governor can come in and explain his decision.
Suspended Hillsborough State Attorney Andrew Warren says he's looking forward to trial, though his request for a preliminary injunction was denied following a hearing Monday.
As I've said from the beginning, there is so much more at stake than my job.
In court, Warren's attorneys argued his First Amendment rights were violated when Governor DeSantis suspended and removed him from office for signing pledges to not prosecute abortion-related or transgender healthcare-related offenses. His attorneys also claimed DeSantis overstepped his authority and that discretion on these cases is a primary function of his office. The governor, meanwhile, was not in court Monday, but his attorneys argued that Warren essentially pledged to not do his job and that he doesn't have First Amendment rights as a state employee to do so, also arguing that this is a state matter, not a federal one. Ultimately, the judge encouraged both sides to bring this to a trial over whether Warren's First Amendment rights were violated. He dismissed the motion that Governor DeSantis overstepped his authority, saying that is a state-related matter.
The judge, clearly and rightfully so, is interested in what the governor would say in a judicial forum, and the trial will be that opportunity, and we're looking forward to that trial very much.
As far as when this trial will begin, that's to be determined. Early suggestions say it could begin anywhere from 4 to 12 weeks. That's being worked out with lawyers from both teams. In Tallahassee, Aaron Parsegian, 10 Tampa Bay.